Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video of my new Done For You web app that provides you with instant access to millions of targeted buyers in any niche that are ready to pay you $500 to $1,000 or more for your services. Yes, you heard that right. This is the first Done For You lead generation app to hit JVZoo that's going to allow you to get more clients, make more profit, and dominate any local area, while our app provides you with all the leads you'd ever need on a silver platter. Okay, now what you're going to see in this demo video is going to allow you to take your agency to the 6 to 7 figure level with the best Done For You lead gen app that bypasses the gatekeeper and puts you directly in touch with the decision maker. There is actually zero scraping required. Okay, this is completely different than any lead software that you've seen before, okay, because our app comes preloaded with the direct contact info of millions of targeted buyers in any niche that you can access instantly, and I'm going to show you how that works here in this demo video. Our app does absolutely all the heavy lifting for you, and it provides you with all the leads. Our app does absolutely all the heavy lifting for you. All right, there's no dealing with complicated setup, getting your IP address blocked, or having to pay for proxies or captchas. You actually never have to use a lead scraper again, because why would you settle for scraping the same leads from the same sites that every other scraper on the market uses? Okay, our app comes with the most up-to-date exclusive local business data that is not available to the public, and on top of that, you're going to get some insane limited time bonuses on this page when you pick up LeadValet. So with that being said, let me go ahead and jump into this demo video and show you exactly how it works. So all you got to do is come in here to log in. Come here to our business owner leads. And this is where the magic happens, okay? This is where you tell our platform what niche, what location, and what information you want from the leads that are already waiting for you, okay? So do you want to get the emails? Do you want to get the phone numbers? Do you want to get their Twitter, their Facebook, their LinkedIn, their GitHub, their gender, their age group, the industry, the niche that they're in, the city, the state, the country, the zip code, the role, okay, whether the CEO or different role in the company, okay, how much money that company is actually making, the size of the organization, and the actual address if you want to do some physical address marketing, okay? So this is everything that's available to you once you pick up LeadValet. Now there are some changes depending on which level you purchase, so one or two of these may be reserved for one of our upgrade offers, but I just want to show you everything that's available to you inside of LeadValet. All right, so let's go ahead and filter by industry. So we'll go ahead and do health and wellness, and I'll go ahead and do in the Miami area. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and preview the results. And this is just an idea of what information you do get access to. Now, I will be blurring some of this out since some of the emails do show up here. All right, so I will blur that out. But this is just an idea of everything that you get access to. And if you scroll to the right, you get to see more of all the information that you get. Okay, but down here you can see within a matter of seconds, all I did was input that I wanted leads in the health and wellness niche located in the Miami area, and within a matter of seconds I got 3,319 leads immediately accessible to me, and all I have to do is go ahead and rename this if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and put wellness and fitness. The date is there at the end. I'm going to go ahead and create my export. And that is it. Within a matter of seconds, I have access to over 3,000 leads that I can instantly start targeting in multiple different ways. And once my export is complete, I get redirected here to the My Exports page. And all I got to do is just click this download button, hit download whichever format that I want, and that is it. Okay, that's how simple it is to come in here and get access to all the leads you'd ever need using LeadValet. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just save that there, and that is it. Okay, and you can see here all the other lead exports that I've already done. 5,000 leads here, 6,000 leads here, 11,000 leads there, 598 there, 391 here, all right, 33,000 here, and the list goes on and on. You can literally come in here and have access to all the leads you'd ever need to business owners that are ready and willing to pay you between $500 to $1,000 or more for your services. And like I said, we have some amazing bonuses that really make this come together, such as the ability to get access to our platform, our Done For You Chief platform, that you can go ahead and start offering high quality websites to these businesses right away at a huge discount. So make sure you do check that out as well. But in this demo video, I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to come in here, get access to some high quality leads instantly using LeadValet without having to waste any time like your typical lead scraper. Okay, so LeadValet is a done for you lead generation platform where we do all the heavy lifting for you, and you just come in here, pick up LeadValet, download leads, and go ahead and start profiting with those leads. So make sure you go below this video, check out everything else that we have to offer for you on this page during this special launch discount. Check out the bonuses and check out everything else that we have on this page. And then once you're done doing that, make sure that you pick up your copy to get instant access to LeadValet.